Well, today is finally the big day. The day that I rescue my Model X from the evil empire that is Tesla. I'm not happy, as you've probably seen in my other videos. I used to be an enormous Tesla fan, enormous EV fan, and like I said before, I'm done. And I just want to get this car back so I can sell it and help pay off the credit card bill that they gave me. So I got the cash advance on my credit card so I would have the money to pay for the damage I didn't do. Again, go back and watch the last video. But yeah, so I'm out here waiting for my buddy to get here. I've barely been able to leave the house for the last 32 days. We've been sharing a car and it's been very, very difficult, as you can imagine, especially when you have a 2-year-old, trying to get him around to daycare and stuff and play dates and stuff like that. So I'm looking forward to having a car back, but I'm also looking forward to selling it and being done with Tesla. I hope today goes fine. I have no idea what to expect with these people. They've screwed me so bad that I don't even know what to expect. I had no idea it would ever even come to this. But we'll see how the trip goes. My buddy's on his way. It's like 8:45 now. We've got probably about an hour and a half, 2-hour drive, and we'll go pick up my car. Hey, what's up, guys? My buddy Cody just arrived, and we are heading up to Rochester to pick up my Tesla Model X. Really hoping everything goes smoothly, but I brought the big guns just in case they give me any lip and give me any trouble. So hopefully I get it and they don't tack on another $1,000 on my bill or some shit. But yeah, this is my buddy Cody, and we're in his truck. Hey, Cody, what kind of truck is this?
We're in a 2019 Ram 3500 diesel.
It's a big truck, so we're going to be pulling in there with this big thing. And how many miles per gallon does this thing get? You know?
Your EV guys on the site aren't going to want to see our sell at 12.8 we're receiving right now.
12.8. Is that because we're going up a hill, or is it always like that?
No, that's what we're getting right now.
Okay.
Yeah.
So 12.8.
We'll reset the mileage and do an update later on in the video here. So
yeah.
So I'll get some hate mail, I'm sure, throughout the course of this video.
Look how crooked it's getting. This gimbal's getting all wonky. But yeah, so I'm going to pay for his gas, of course, because Tesla would not give me an Uber. They refused. Really, really horrible service. Looking forward to this being over and done with, but more to come. All right, we made it. It was about hour 45 minutes, I think, something like that. But wish us luck. We're gonna go in there and hopefully not get in a fight. we'll see what happens.
See what they have to offer.
Yeah.
We actually did. We set the cruise at 73 miles an hour, and surprisingly, we did receive 21.5 miles to the
not bad.
gallon.
That's pretty good.
So not too bad.
This is a big truck.
Not too bad for driving a big truck out
there. Yeah, 4-door. So, we got seats back there. Yeah. So here we are. Wish us luck.
See what the boys have to offer.
Yep. Got the car back. Wow. I can't believe I'm in this car again after a month. It feels so weird to be driving this. The regen threw me off. I'd forgotten what it was like, as I really only had it for 4 months, and then it happened, so it's 5 months old, and yeah, so I just kind of forgot. It feels really different and weird. The guys previously in all my videos, I've always said nice things about the service techs, that once you get a hold of somebody, they've been nice. They were not especially nice, not warm at all. The day that I sent them the car, I ordered them all pizza. I had a sheet pizza delivered. It cost me an arm and a leg, but I had it delivered to them, and I had asked twice for a thank you. I was like, so how was the pizza? Oh yeah, it was good. Oh, so you got it and it was good? Oh yeah, yep. Like nothing. In the text, I think they did text me a thank you, but I had to reread all of our texts and stuff. Another thing that's annoying is that I had asked them to charge it to 95% for me so that I could get home. And it's more than I need to get home, but might as well get some free electricity out of these So they charged it to 95. I saw on my app that it had stopped charging yesterday, and then somebody changed it to 100% and charged it all the way to 100% yesterday. So it was sitting all that time at 100%, which of course, if you're watching my channel, you know EVs and you know that's not ideal. So I was kind of pissed they did that, but whatever. I guess it's not that bad. Only did it once. But now what I'm doing, I just got to a CarMax. There's a CarMax right next to Tesla over here, and I'm gonna come in here and just, I'm sure they won't give me enough for it, but I'm gonna see what they offer me for the car just to unload it and be done with Tesla. But we'll see. I'm gonna go inside now. Well, I went inside, talked to them, but it was gonna be at least a half an hour, and then I said I had a Tesla, and they said, oh, it might be closer to an hour, and I'm like hour and a half-ish from home, so I don't really feel like screwing around with that, and I doubt they're gonna give me what I need for the car anyway, but yeah, so I'll probably just have to put it for sale privately myself. I kind of actually hope I don't fall in love with the car again, because even in some of the videos that I haven't released throughout this whole process, I kept saying that I love the car. The car is phenomenal. And even though it was broken in my driveway and I couldn't drive anywhere, I still loved the car. And at the time, I was still saying positive things about Tesla. But at this point, I don't know how I can ever love this car and love Tesla again after sticking me with that $4,000 credit card bill that I just paid. It's complete bullshit. They broke my car towing it in, and they refused to pay. So we'll see. I'm going to drive it, and I'll probably start listing it online, different places for sale. But I guess that's about it. Thanks a lot for watching. I'm going to head home and see how it goes. See you guys.